Hello, good morning students. Students, in previous lecture we have already discussed about the consumer's budget. In this concept there are the 2 points. They are budget set and the budget line. And in the previous video we discussed about the budget set. All of you know the budget set means it is a collection of all bundles which are available to a consumer at prevailing market price at given level of income. Then it is called the budget set. Students, today we are going to take the more information about the second concept, that is the budget line. Then what is the budget line? Budget line means which consists of See students, the budget line means which consists of all bundles, means the bundles of the 2 commodities which cost exactly equal to the consumer's income. Then it is called the budget line. Suppose students, if the income of the consumer is a consumer has income of rupees 20 and he wanted to spend means see students, a consumer has the income of the 20 rupees, means the income of the consumer is rupees 20, and here the consumer means he wanted to spend the 2 commodities, means he wanted to buy, he wanted to purchase the 2 commodities, means he wanted to spend his entire income only on 2 commodities, means the X commodity and Y commodity. Students, here the X commodity means the X is represented for the units of the bananas and the 1 which represent for for the units of the mangoes. Means here the consumer, he wanted to spend his entire income only on purchasing the two commodities. These are the X and Y, means the banana and the mango. And which are priced the rupees 10. Means here the price of banana or the X commodity is rupees 10, and also the price of the mangoes, means the Y commodity, it is also the rupees 10. And here if he wanted to spend or he wanted to purchase the both commodities, means the X, Y or the banana and the mango, then a consumer have three options to spend his entire income only on that commodity. Means he has the three options. First one is he can buy the 2 units of banana, means X. Second option, see students, the income of the consumer is rupees 20. He wanted to spend the two commodities, means he wanted to spend his entire income only on the two commodities, that is the X and Y. Here X means the units of the banana and Y which represents the units of the mango. And the price of these two commodities is rupees 10. Means here the price of banana is rupees 10, and also the price of mango, it is also the 10. Means here if the consumer wanted to spend his entire income only on the both commodities, then in front of the consumer have the three options. First one is the consumer can buy the 2 units of the banana. Second option is he can buy the 2 units of the mangoes also, and he can also buy 1 unit of banana or 1 unit of mango. Means these are the options in front of a consumer. Means he can maybe spend his entire income only on to purchase the 2 units of the banana, means X commodity, or he may be spending his entire income only on to purchasing the 2 units of the mango, means the Y commodity, or he can purchase only 1 unit of the banana or the 1 unit of the mango. Means students, here the budget line, which separates what one can offer and what one cannot offer. See students, the budget line which separates what one can offer or what one cannot offer. Means any point on budget line See students, the budget line which separate what one can offer or what one cannot be offered. Means here the any point which is lies on the budget line which represents the bundles which cost exactly equal to the consumer's entire income or consumer's entire budget. Means here the budget line which consists of all bundles which cost exactly equal to the consumer's income, then it is called the budget line. Means students, here suppose if the consumer he wanted to have the one more banana, then he can do it only give up the some units of the mangoes. See here what I said. If the consumer wanted to have one more unit of the banana, then he can do it only to give up or to sacrifice the some units of the mangoes. Means here how many mangoes he can give up if he wanted to the one more unit of the banana. Therefore, the consumer have to be reduced his expenditure. See here what I said. If the consumer have wanted to one more unit of the banana, then he can do it only to give up the some units of the mango. Means here how much mangoes he can give up to want or to have the units of the banana. Thus here the consumer he may be give up the units of the mango if he wanted to have the one more unit of the banana. So here she wants, if she wants to have an extra unit of the bananas, then she will have to reduce his expenditure on the mango. Means she will have to reduce the expenditure on the mango by the P1 amount. Means if he wanted to have the more banana, then with the P1, the budget line, see here, if you want to have one more banana, then he have to give up the units of mangoes. Some units of mangoes. Means here how many mangoes he gave up if he wanted to one more unit of the banana. Here a quantity of banana cost. See here a quantity of banana which cost is P1 and the quantity of mango cost is P2. See here, if if the person wanted to have more unit of the banana, then he have to give up the some units of the mango. Here the quantity of banana cost is P1 and the quantity of mango cost is P2. Therefore, he means a consumer, he have to reduce the expenditure on mango by P1 amount if he want more unit of banana. See here, if the consumer wanted to have the more unit of banana, then he have to give up the some unit of the mango. Why? Because he wanted the more unit of the banana. So here a quantity of bananas cost is P1 and the quantity of mangoes cost is P2. Means if he wanted to have the one more unit of the banana, then the consumer have to reduce his expenditure only the use of the mango. How? By P1 amount if he wanted to have the more unit of the banana. Means with the P1, is the price of the banana, he could buy the P1, P2 quantity of mango. See students, if the consumer wanted to have one more unit of banana, then he have to give up the some units of the mango. Means here, how many mangoes does a consumer give up if he wanted to have an extra unit of the banana? Here the quantity of banana cost is P1 and the quantity of the mango cost is P2. Therefore, he will have to reduce. If you want to one more unit of banana, then he have reduce his expenditure on the mango and by P1 amount if he wanted to more unit of the banana. So with the P1 he would buy the P1 divided by the P2 quantities of the mango. So students, how the slope of the budget line? See here, we will explain the slope of budget line with the help of an diagram. Derivation slope of budget line. Students, the slope of budget line, we will explain it with the help of the diagram. All of you know the budget line, which measures the amount of the changes in mangoes required per unit change in the banana with the budget line. We will explain it with the help of the diagram. See here. See students, here. See students, this is the diagram of the derivation slope of the budget line. Here, on the y-axis we represent the limits of the banana, and on the y-axis we represent the limits of the limits of the man. And here, the AB is the budget line. Here, the any point or any 2 points means the x1 and the x2 and the x1 plus delta x1 and the x2 plus the delta x2, which is on the budget line. Students, here the delta. See here, the delta, which is the word, which is the Greek letter, and sometimes this letter is used to denote the change. So here, the delta x1, which stands for change in the x commodity, and delta x2, which stands for to change in the x2 commodity. So students, any 2 points means the x1 and the x2, and the x1 plus delta x1 and x2 plus delta x2, they are on the budget line, and in this case, here the P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to, means all of you know, P1 means the price of the x commodity and P2 means the price of the x2 commodity, and M means here the income of the consumer. And we have explained this equation with the help of the diagram in the budget set. And P1 in bracket x1 plus the delta x1 plus P2 in bracket x2 plus delta x2 is equal to M. Here the delta x1, which stands for the change in the x1 commodity, and the delta x2, which stands for to change in the x2 commodity. And by subtracting both means the P1 x1 plus P2 x2. See here, and P1 in bracket x1 plus delta x1 plus P2 in bracket x2 plus delta x2. By subtracting both, we will be obtain the P1 delta x1 and P2 delta x2 is equal to 0. Why? Because here the cost of the both commodity which is equal to the consumer's income line, because the budget line which consists of all the bundle which cost exactly equal to the consumer's income, and here these points means x1 and x2 and delta x1 and x1 and delta x1 and x2 plus delta x2. These points they are lines on the budget line. So here the P1 x delta x1 plus P2 delta x2 is equal to 0. By rearranging these two terms, we obtain the delta x2 divided by the delta x1, means is equal to P1 divided by P2. So students, this is all about the derivation slope of the budget line. Hope all of you understood this concept. Budget line means which consists of all the bundles which cost exactly equal to the consumer's income, and we explained this with the help of an example and diagram also. In your examination, they may be asked on this concept only the 2-mark question. Give the meaning of the budget line and the consumer's budget. On this concept they ask the 2-mark question, that is differences between the budget set and budget line. That time you should write the answer, means what are the differences between the budget set and budget line. We explain this with the help of an example. So students, hope all of you understood this concept. Thank you.